AI Diary is a newly released AI tool that promises to make your life easier, and today I'm diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Whether you're a seasoned marketer, a content creator, or someone just starting to explore AI tools, I'll give you the details you need to understand how AI Diary works and why it might be your next favorite software. Stick around because I'll share exactly why this AI tool is creating a buzz right now and what makes it stand out from others. And if you're interested, you can actually try this software for free. Check the first link in the description below. So, let's get into it. AI Diary is all about simplifying your personal and professional life by automating many daily tasks. Think of it as your digital assistant, but with a huge emphasis on keeping track of your ideas, projects, and tasks in one place. What makes this tool stand out is how it uses AI to learn from your habits and assist in keeping everything organized with minimal input from you. One of the first things you'll notice when you use AI Diary is how easy it is to set up. It's not complicated at all. You just need to add your tasks, ideas, and personal thoughts, and AI Diary starts organizing it for you. The software uses AI to not only track what you add, but also suggest the most efficient ways to organize your thoughts, projects, and reminders. It helps you prioritize so you can focus on what's most important to you. Unlike other AI tools that require a steep learning curve, AI Diary's interface is super intuitive. Even if you're new to using AI software, it won't overwhelm you. It's made for people who want a simple way to streamline their daily tasks without spending too much time setting up complex systems. AI Diary gets up and running almost immediately, making it a perfect tool for anyone looking to improve their productivity. Another key feature of AI Diary is its ability to generate insights. It doesn't just store data, but can analyze your entries and suggest improvements based on trends it identifies. For instance, if you've been working on similar projects, it can help you connect the dots and come up with better strategies. This is where AI Diary differentiates itself. It's not just an organizational tool, it's a smart assistant that learns how you work and adapts to give you personalized advice. For digital marketers or business owners, AI Diary is a goldmine. Imagine using this AI to keep track of campaign performance, competitor analysis, and content ideas all in one place. The AI's ability to summarize key points from long discussions, reports, or meetings can save hours of time and help you make more informed decisions faster. One thing I love about AI Diary is how well it integrates with other tools. Whether you're using project management software, calendars, or even email apps, AI Diary can sync with them and pull in data that helps you stay organized. This integration really makes it seamless and easy to use without needing to switch between apps. Now, I have to mention that while AI Diary is feature-packed, it's still in its early stages, so you might encounter some bugs or limitations here and there. However, the development team is actively working to fix these, and the tool is only going to get better with time. So, why should you try AI Diary? If you're looking for a smarter way to organize your thoughts, boost productivity, and get personalized insights, AI Diary could be your new go-to AI software. It's one of the best newly released AI tools on the market, and is proving to be a valuable asset for anyone who wants to stay organized while getting the most out of their time. If you're interested, don't forget to grab your free trial by clicking the first link in the description. And, as always, after testing thousands of AI tools, I've made sure to list my top recommended AI software in the description below. Try them for free and see what works best for you. That's it for this review of AI Diary. Make sure to check it out and let me know your thoughts.